Hey everybody, Aaron Zamzo from FireRescueFitness.com. I know that a lot of us are looking for at-home solutions to workouts, or if you're a first responder and you're kind of stuck to a firehouse that might not have a lot of equipment. What I wanted to do to help you is to show you how you can make a suspension training system or a bodyweight training system with some simple things found around the home and the firehouse. I have another post that explains how to use two bed sheets and use them up over a door, and to use that as a suspension training system. Now I wanted to cover a great way to create your own that you can use as a go over on a tree. You can use this. I actually have attached this to the top part of an engine and done bicep curls and body weight rows and even chest press and tricep extensions with this. It's webbing. This is a 15 feet or so piece of webbing. What I did was first tied knots to create handles on each side, and that's really the first thing you want to do. Then from there, you want to make sure that you slide down the webbing and tie just a knot to create equal sides, so that the handles will be equidistant from that knot. It might take one or two tries. Just make sure that you, and I just honestly tied a very simple up, over, and around knot, and it seems to, that would hold very, very quickly. I've also seen some people tie in rubber handles. You could get creative with this and clever. Obviously, some of us have a lot more time on our hands due to the fact that we're inside a little bit more due to the virus outbreak. But then from here, you can slide this again over a door and close the door. If you have a squat rack, you can also take this up over the squat rack and utilize the movements there that you have for tricep. Again, you can do even a chest press, turn around and do rows and bicep curls. And I'll have a program all put together for you that utilizes a system like this, so you could do and follow along with a workout program at home. But I wanted you to just wrap your mind around the fact that you don't have to give your workouts up. This is a great, quick, easy, effective way to create this bodyweight training system that you can do still at home. So all is not going to be lost. You're not going to lose a lot of your muscle mass. You're not going to lose a lot of your fitness. We got some programming coming up for you. But if you do have webbing laying around the firehouse, get to work, tie this up. If you have some blankets, take a look at that other video and get together with your family and make a little suspension training system, and stay tuned for how to utilize it.